Here is the Honda Fit. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Honda emblem, is a secondary release lever. You can put one finger in there and then push it left. See, this is how it works. So while it's pushed left, lift up the hood, and this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. So grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, and then let it go, and now the hood is secure. Let's start with the passenger side. That's the bulb over there. The way to access it is right there behind it. First thing we have to do is just grab the electrical connector and get it off the bulb, and off it comes. Now grab that rubber seal and pull it off. It'll come right out. Now we need to get this retaining clip out of the way, so press down and move it out of the way. Let me do this one more time. Let's just put it back in for now, and so press down, move it aside, and it's off. Now get it off completely, out of the way, grab the bulb and get it out, and it comes off. The bulb size is 9003. Avoid touching the glass surface of the bulb directly with your bare hands. Check the link in the description to buy the new bulb from Amazon for yourself. Let's go ahead, get the new 9003 bulb and then put it back into the light housing. And it's important that you position it the way I'm showing. That's the only way it'll go back in, or else it will not sit in place. See, note the position of those bulb pins. That'll help you orient it properly. Once it's sitting in properly, only then will you be able to put this retaining clip back in place. So press it down, get it in place, and it's locked. Now let's get the rubber seal on and focus on getting those 3 bulb pins through the center hole. That is important. Once it's through the center hole, then just press the edges down to secure it. And now let's just put the electrical connector on. It only goes on in one way, and that is good. Moving on now to the driver's side, no differences whatsoever, just as accessible, but I'm going to do it just to show it to you that it is in fact just as accessible. Get the connector off, get the seal off. Now let's get the clip off, and the bulb comes out. Same 9003 bulb, just like the passenger side. Let's just put this back in. And again, this is where you have to make sure that you first get this retaining clip completely out of the way, or else it gets kind of annoying when you're trying to position the bulb back in place. Put the clip on, put the seal on. Again, make sure the 3 pins for the bulb go through the center hole of the seal. Press the sides down, put the connector on, and you're done. To close the hood, first push on it, get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place, and then push it down to secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.